Right, here we have a 1935 Francis Barnett Seagull, an E43 apparently,
Yeah.
and it's Tiernans Classics.
Interesting little motorbike, Peter.
Yes, it's not
Made
out-
quite a lot of these with covers, and for the life of me, I can't think of the name of them.
Cruisers.
Cruisers, yeah.
Yeah.
These are more, I don't know, these are nicer somehow, aren't they?
Yeah.
Traditional motorbike.
Yeah.
Lots of shiny chrome. Whoever done this up spent plenty of money on it.
Money on the tank.
Oh yeah,
That's
the
not cheap.
exhaust, yeah.
Yeah.
Tank was nice, isn't it?
So,
Came up north. Yes.
far up then.
Yes, you've been for a ride?
Yeah.
Does all the things?
Went for a ride.
Yeah.
Not too far, but.
Yeah.
So, we turn the fuel on.
Yeah.
Give it a tickle.
Yeah. Controls are.
Clutch and front brake, standard places. Hooter,
Yep.
switch.
Yeah, the hooter's an extra.
Yeah, the hooters, yeah.
It's got the hooter, but the lights and that all work.
Decomp,
Yeah.
and this is choke. You're riching and weaken off the mixture. You're raising the needle, aren't you?
Yeah.
So that's rich, and that's lean. Yeah. Or weak, as it says on there.
Yeah.
So we'll richen it up.
Yeah.
We've tickled it up. Your light switches up here, off, park, headlight, direct.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't really see much in the direct sunlight, but there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
You see the
percolating.
aiming.
Yeah, all percolating.
So,
She's a flywheel, so you got flywheel
yeah,
electrics.
the flywheel ignition,
yeah.
and dynamo electrics.
Yeah, and there's a Lucas dynamo, but
Yeah.
yeah, a later one, which is also helpful, isn't it? Let's. Something happening there.
Yeah. I know the dynamo's got output, that's for sure. Check that.
Whatever I manage it.
So I've got 3 feet off. First is down, second and third.